Kihei Auto Sales! Party on! Excellent! Okay, excellent. Party on. Welcome to another episode of Kihei Auto Sales Shop Talk. I'm your excellent host, Ben. With me as always, Frank. Party on, Frank.
Party on, Dan.
We have a letter from Jane and Kula. Excellent. Jane writes, "Hey, Frank and Ben. That's us. I watch your show all the time."
Excellent.
All right. Her question. I bought a warranty and I'm trying to get my oil changed. They're saying it's not covered. What gives?
Excellent question, Jay. When you purchase a vehicle at a dealership like ours,
If I may, Frank, the finance department will offer you a warranty package and or a maintenance package.
what's the difference?
A warranty covers mechanical issues that could arise. Think future. Maybe your air conditioning compressor goes out. Is it hot in here or is it just me?
I'm hot.
Or maybe your car won't start.
Click. Maintenance covers oil changes, filters, tire rotations, lubrication. This keeps your car running strong for a long time.
I hope that clears it up. Check out our show next week when we respond to Chelsea's question from Lahaina. She writes, "Which package should I buy?" Swing!
I dated a girl named Chelsea once.
No way.
Hey!
Okay. Agree to disagree. All right. Thanks, Jane, and to all our listeners. Kihei Auto Sales! Party on! Excellent! Woo!